All right, quickie morning wrap. It's Eve from MarketWizard.com and eMiniWizard.com. About 25 minutes after 11 on the 9th of October, 2019, reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, we had suggested that the turtles are the traders who, like on an IB breakdown, they jump in, they stick their necks out, and then they get caught as we squeeze right back up into the middle. We said that keep an eye on this chart in here because this 30-minute blue line will tend to be supportive. We know that we had this 92 area we thought was pretty important. That's held overnight. We got the push from one side all the way over to the other and rejected. And we've had a very tedious pullback into this blue line, which will tend to be supportive first time back. Crossover, pull back, flattening out. So this helped us not to get caught and to think that, in addition to a couple of other charts, that this was just going to be a false breakdown. And this is probably the best chart to understand that. We said don't get faked out with just a little, break of this, because immediately below us we've got this 06. This is the range that largely is being traded, and just above it obviously as our resistance box and our support down here, and this is our trading zone primarily. And we said rejected, and then this 375 we're going to use as our immediate support down here in a 2-day range. And we said probably better off fading anything that goes out the expected range right now that we've got. Monthly look, rejected, fighting box, that 7 shows up clearly as the bottom of the pipe for the monthlies. And this is all important, this low down in here, which will reflect September's low. So range trades all we've got. We've kind of nailed that range we thought we would be in. Said this high is going to be our resistance for the morning until we break out. We have not done that. And we said we're going to use this for our support back in here. So that range we have traded, and this is a 5-minute RTH. You can see over and under. So we have not gotten faked out today thinking that we're just going to get a gigantic plunge or a breakout, but more tedious type trade. And by using the 15-minute chart, we've seen this has been rejected, but the pivot point has still come up. This is only the wrecking ball trade if we come down and stay underneath this blue line. Got to stay under it. So that's been helpful. And here obviously is the idea of just trapping a few traders, then right back to the middle. So if you played as we suggested, let's think of the resistance and come back towards the gap, but don't think of it as a killer trade. If you've played towards the half gap, which we've called as support, till broken, and you've got something out of it. We said in the 10-point range, if you can get 2 or 3 today, good luck and grab it fast. Don't think of this as a directional type trade this morning. It's going to be much more tedious. And the reason we said for that was because we obviously have both sides that have trapped the other. And this is where we felt that range would clearly be based on the middles of RTH yesterday and Globex. And so we've stayed inside that range so far. So anybody that's played our resistance zone to come back and test support, we still have not had a significant trade basis the overnight range, but you do the best you can with what the market gives you. And we were right to be conservative this morning. In the afternoon, anything goes. So for now, lock your profits, have a nice lunch, and then we'll get back together again before the 2 o'clock time frame. Hope you had a good morning.